Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's serve together. I'm cooking cornmeal today. Cornmeal, right? And beef tripe. So let's dish. I'm cooking cornmeal, beef tripe with beef ribs. So this is our cornmeal. And I'm dishing for two. This is going to be for my beef. And then my veggie. My veg is spinach with okra. Spinach and okra, that's the veg. I'm dishing with you guys. I'm dishing with you. Then let's go to the main dish, which is okay. That's where I'm gonna put the meat. That's where I'm gonna dish the meat. Alright. So my main dish is, so this is beef and goat. Let's go. So it's beef tripe and not beef tripe, goat tripe, sorry, and beef ribs. Right, guys. So this is beef ribs. We are dishing together. So it's the two of us. We are dishing together. Whoever wants more is gonna come and add some more meat. It's the two of us. I'm gonna put more of the sauce. I'm gonna put more of the sauce. This is the sauce. Yep. So this is my menu today, guys. Beef ribs and good tripe, cornmeal, spinach and okra. That's the veg. That's the meal for today. So whoever is gonna eat, bon appetit, enjoy your meal. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share. Bye bye.